Nature and the Universe. Part 6. The Natural State. The Physics of Enlightenment. Change is the only constant, which applies to both physical and life systems, both of which are built upon and operate on the same natural laws and cannot violate them. All the physical phenomena that exist can only be observed through our perceptions. In the natural state, undifferentiated reality, which cannot be expressed, is perceived directly without the bonds of concepts. Undifferentiated reality, or the natural, is a state in which we have always, still do, and will always exist in, despite it never becoming a part of our conscious experience. It is not a state which can be entered or left through conscious effort. Words, rather than being the real themselves, are simply representations of concepts. They are symbols representing something other than themselves. Everything is a symbol, and we live in an illusory reality of symbols. Undifferentiated reality cannot be expressed or experienced, but it can be described using symbols, such as the word natural state. A description of a state is not the state itself. The natural state is a state of not knowing. The memory stored in your brain takes a back seat as the thought structure collapses, and your whole being is left as a question mark. What is it that I am looking at? Not that the sentence itself comes to your mind, but your whole being becomes an expression of it. A state of being is an experience. A description of a state of being is a symbol. Symbols and experience do not follow the same rules despite both being thought-induced, as has been a realization due to quantum logic. The intimate perception of emotions and sensations which are indescribable would be a direct experience, but recognition and naming of that experience as either joy or sorrow would be a symbol. The universe is a singular unit and does not consist of separate parts. Nature and the